Chapter 2 Addition. Mira lives in Emerald Housing Society. It has 4 towers named as Block A, B, C and D with 10 floors, each floor having 4 flats. Can you tell the number of total flats? There are many cars parked in front of each tower. Adding 3-digit numbers without regrouping. Example 1. Add 242 and 125. Step 1. Add the ones. Step 2. Add the tens. Step 3. Add the hundreds. Answer 367. Regrouping ones. Example 2. Add 152 and 339. Step 1. Add the ones. 2 plus 9 is equal to 11 ones. Regroup 11 ones into 110 and 1 1. Carry over 110 to the tens place. Step 2. Add the tens. 1 carried over plus 5 plus 3 is equal to 9. Step 3. Add the hundreds. 1 plus 3 is equal to 4. Answer 491. Remember, always start adding from ones and move to the left. Regrouping tens. Example 3. Add 453 and 282. Step 1. Add the ones. 3 plus 2 is equal to 5. Step 2. Add the tens. 5 plus 8 is equal to 13 tens. Regroup 13 tens into 103 tens. Carry over 100 to the hundreds place. Step 3. Add the hundreds. 1 carried over plus 4 plus 2 is equal to 7 hundreds. Answer 735. When tens are more than 9, regroup 10 tens as 100. Regrouping hundreds. Example 4. Add 671 and 523. Step 1. Add the ones. Step 2. Add the tens. Step 3. Add the hundreds. Carry over 100 to the thousands place. Regroup 11 hundreds as 1000 and 100. When hundreds are more than 9, regroup 10 hundreds as 1000. Regrouping ones, tens and hundreds. Example 5. Add 367, 283 and 704. Step 1. Add the ones. 7 plus 3 plus 4 is equal to 14 ones. Regroup 14 ones into 110 and 4 ones. Carry over 110 to tens place. Step 2. Add the tens. 1 carried over plus 6 plus 8 plus 0 is equal to 15 tens. Regroup 15 tens into 105 tens. Step 3. Add the hundreds. 1 carried over plus 3 plus 2 plus 7 is equal to 13 hundreds. Regroup 13 hundreds into 1003 hundreds. Answer 1354. Adding thousands. Example 6. Add 1476 and 1685. Add the ones. 6 plus 5 is equal to 11 is equal to 1 1 plus 110. Carry over 110. Add the tens. 1 plus 7 plus 8 is equal to 16 is equal to 6 tens plus 100. Carry over 100. Add the hundreds. 1 plus 4 plus 6 is equal to 11 is equal to 100 plus 1000. Carry over 1000. Add the thousands. 1 plus 1 plus 1 is equal to 3000s. Answer 3161. Example 7. Add 2371, 1902 and 3,564. Answer 7,837. Maths in story. Every year on 5th June, we celebrate the World Environment Day. This year, students of Class 3 went to a nearby park with their class teacher, Mrs. Jose. The girls planted their 395 saplings and the boys planted 406 saplings. How many plant saplings did they plant in all? Rounding off and estimating the sum. Example 8. Estimate the sum of 1679 and 4565. Round off to the nearest 10. Also, find the actual sum. Rounding off to the nearest 10. 1679 becomes 1680 and 4565 becomes 4570. Answer. Estimated sum is 6250 and the actual sum is 6244. Application. Example 9. There are 240 flats in Emerald Housing Society and 312 flats in Sapphire Height Society. How many flats are there together? Number of flats in Emerald Housing Society is equal to 240. Number of flats in Sapphire Heights Society is equal to 312. Total number of flats in both is equal to 552. Example 10. 1,526 people helped to plant saplings in the colony and 1,357 people helped to clean the parks. How many people helped in all? Number of people who helped to plant saplings is equal to 1,526. Number of people who helped to clean the parks is equal to 1,357. Total number of people who helped in all is equal to 2,883. Application. Example 9. There are 240 flats in Emerald Housing Society and 312 flats in Sapphire Height Society. How many flats are there together? Number of flats in Emerald Housing Society is equal to 240. Number of flats in Sapphire Heights Society is equal to 312. Total number of flats in both is equal to 552. Example 10. 1,526 people helped to plant saplings in the colony and 1,357 people helped to clean the parks. How many people helped in all? Number of people who helped to plant saplings is equal to 1,526. Number of people who helped to clean the parks is equal to 1,357. Total number of people who helped in all is equal to 2,883.